Hey everyone, it's Eileen and Jewel. Today we're here celebrating Pi Day. Well, what's Pi Day, you might ask? It's a day where you eat pie. It's also the day 3.14, which is a math number, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what it's about, the math number?
Absolutely not.
Yeah, me either, so we're just gonna eat pie.
We're just eating the pie.
Okay, so we're gonna go and make some homemade pies and we'll be right back. Bye! Okay, well that was fun making those pies. I can't wait to eat this. So not everybody watching this might not know, but you are a trained chef.
I am.
So what is your favorite pies to make?
I really enjoy making a key lime pie, and I also like trying new pies to make, so I made this peanut butter pie for you today.
Yeah, and peanut butter pie is my favorite. I am like a huge fan of the Baker's Square peanut butter pie. So I feel like people might be intimidated when they think about making something homemade. Should they be?
I don't think they should be. Both of these pies had less than 5 ingredients, and I used a store-bought crust, which that's fine because not everybody has time to make a crust. And it just was very simple mixing and refrigerating them.
Oh, we will post the recipes below so you all can make these at home. Please leave us a comment if you do and let us know how they turned out. Okay, so we're gonna finish up our pie and then we're gonna head out for the day to deliver some slices to some friends and talk to them about pie as well. So if you're a friend, we'll see you soon, and if you're not a friend, keep watching. We are here at our friend's house to surprise them with pie, but they're not answering the phone, so we don't know if they're home or not. Just a second. Okay, we are here at our friend's house now, so just knock. Happy Pie Day! Do you want to eat some pie? Yeah. Okay.
314.
I want the cookies.